Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the graph below shows the production of cars in thousands of two companies A and B for 10 years. Now and we have to find the maximum difference in the production of cars of two companies. So in order to get the maximum difference, we need to find the relatively higher value of production for company A and relatively lower value of production for company B. So max difference equals relative high for company A or company A minus relative low for company B. Now, relative high for company A is obtained in week number 2. So, in week number 2, company A's production has reached its 10 uh, 10 years high value, which is 45,000 cars. So, year number 2, in year number 2, company A reaches its all-time high value of production, which is 40 45, right? 45,000. And in the same year, company B reaches its all-time low. So in the same year, company B reaches its all-time low, which is equals 32,000. Therefore, maximum difference in the production of the two companies is obtained in year number 2, which is equals 45,000 minus of 32,000, which is equals 13,000. So this will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.